Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a profit and loss statement in Google Sheets. So let's just start by setting up the structure of our statement. In the first cell, I will type a title something like profit and loss statement. Now I can click on this, press shift on my keyboard, select all these columns, and after selecting, I'll simply click merge cells. Now I'll click this and click center. I'll select this text now, choose bold, and increase the font size, something like 15. Now, right below it, I will add a time period. It covers like Q1 26, that is Q1 2026. I'll make this text bold and increase the size of this. Now, let's build the revenue section. A few rows down, I will type revenue as header. Select this text, make it bold, increase the font size. Now, below that, I will list out my income sources like product sales and service income. Now, you can add as much income sources as you want. I'm entering 2 just for example purposes. I'll type in their amounts in the column next to each one. So I will type in amount, select this text, make it bold, increase the size. Now, I will type in their amounts like 15,000, 23,000 and 77,000. Now, after listing them, I will add a total revenue row. So, to the next row, I will type in total revenue. I'll select this text, make it bold and increase the size. I can simply select this column next to total revenue, type in this formula equal to sum. Now I will select B6 colon B8. So select these cells and hit enter. Now let's add the expenses section right below. So I will type in expenses, select this text, make it bold and increase the size. Now type in amount. Now here, you'll have to simply list out your costs, things like rent, salaries, marketing and utilities. Now, I will type in their amount next to each other. Now, with the amounts next to each other, just like before, add the total expenses row at the bottom. Just below the amount section, type in equal to sum and select all these cells. This will instantly calculate the total expenses. Now the most important part, calculating the actual profit or loss. So a couple rows below, type net profit. Select this text, make it bold, increase the size. Now in the cell next to it, type in equal to sign and click on your total revenue cell, type in a minus sign and select your total expenses cell. Hit enter and this will give you your final profit. Or if expenses are higher than revenue, it will show as a negative number, meaning a loss. To make it cleaner, you can select your revenue, click on fill color, choose green. You can select your expenses, choose fill color, make them red. You can choose net profit and make it something else. And just the same way, you can type in as much data as you want and you can easily create a profit and loss statement on Google Sheets easily. So that's how you create a profit and loss statement in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel and leave a like.